If your combined washing machine AEG does not want to dry and only skips the program, most likely there is the following problem. Error E73 indicates that there is a problem with the NTC sensor that controls the heater. Here there are two possible damage options: damage to the sensor itself or a very common break in the cable connections. To check if your washing machine has an error stored in its memory, you need to put it into service mode. This is done according to the following algorithm. With the door closed, turn on the washing machine and immediately hold these two buttons until the entire display lights up. Sometimes it takes several attempts. Now, by turning the program knob, you go through different stages of testing the washing machine systems. I have it explained in detail on my YouTube channel. All recorded errors are displayed in position C11, in this case also on C05 because there the washing machine goes through a heater test. Error E73 indicates that there is a problem with the NTC sensor that controls the heater. Open the top cover. Before all, cut power supply. The NTC sensor is located at the top of the heating module for drying clothes. Very common problem is break in the cable connections. The cables are wrapped in insulation, and the break occurs inside. Open and check the cable to the connection. There may be a break in more than one place. It is best to replace the entire cable to the NTC sensor. Take this step to delete the stored error. Enter the service mode and in position C11 hold the same two buttons for a few seconds until it displays zeros.